Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to make this delicious, rich and creamy date milkshake. So we're not only going to use dates, but we're going to add other nuts to make it all the more rich and flavorful. So let's get started and check out this absolutely delicious drink. So first we are going to cook the dates and the nuts with 2 cups of milk. First add the pitted dates. I've taken about 15 pitted dates. Add about 1/4 cup of almonds. Just remove the skin. Next add 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon of pistachios. So cook this for about 10 minutes. Cooking the nuts and dates is going to soften them and it will be easier while grinding them. After cooking for 10 minutes, add about 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it all well. So you can see the dates are cooked, they become nice and mushy. Turn off the stove, cool the mixture completely. So the mixtures become very thick. Transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. Add a little milk if required. Once it's ground to a nice paste, remove from the mixer jar and keep it aside. To the mixer jar, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the ground paste. Add a teaspoon of honey. You can adjust the quantity of the honey depending on how sweet you would like the milkshake. Next, add about 500 ml of boiled and cooled milk. Make sure the milk is nice and chill. Now blend everything together till it's all well combined. So there you go, here is this delicious and flavorful and super healthy dates and nuts milkshake. This is so quick and easy to make. It's a must try recipe for all of you, and it's a very refreshing drink as well. So if you're looking for something healthy and you want something refreshing, this is the drink to go to. So do try the recipe, guys. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Make sure you serve it nice and chilled. So you can see how rich and refreshing this drink is because it's got all those dates and nuts. It's very, very filling. So do try the recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.